Hi there. Now, in this short video, I will act like a normal casual lead who interested in your service, or let's say I saw one of your social media posts, etc. and how I will interact with OrthoBot. Okay, first thing first, the landing page and the chatbot is right now designed and modified for orthodontic excellence team, and it's going to act on behalf of them. And with that being said, let's get started. Okay, like I said, let's say I saw one of your social media posts, I saw your website, or I hear about your treatment, your service, etc. And I wonder, I came to your website, let's say, and let's say in this case, this landing page. I check your landing page, okay, I read the post, etc. And then here I see the treatment results, etc. And here I see the Google reviews. Nice, but let's say I have some specific basic questions. Okay, I saw there's a chatbot and I see, okay, I can ask, I guess I can ask here. And here, as you can see, I can directly write my question or I can choose one of them directly. And by the way, before we start to speak with the chatbot, OrthoBot, before it starts to interact with the leads, which is me in this case, it's not asking for any type of email, any type of phone number, name, etc. Because if you directly ask the leads phone number, name, etc., any contact details, it creates a little bit of resistance. Because let's say I am just going to ask how much the treatment, like how much treatment cost, or let's say I am just wondering about just one question, and which is like let's say maybe the treatment time. If I came to chatbot, and if I saw that there's a, how can I say, things that I should give my phone number, my name, etc. before I ask anything, I'm not going to ask it as a lead. I know that, you know that. Okay, so let's say I am wondering about treatment cost of the aligner. As you can see, it interacts with me in a good way and it answers my question. And after the first question, after the first answer, actually, it asks my name in a conversational way. It's like a friend asking for a friend. Okay, let's say I can give my name because it's not so personal, like it's not a contact details. Let's say it's Kursat, and how about treatment time? By the way, I am intentionally writing a little bit wrong and sometimes a little bit bad actually, but still it will work perfect as you can see. Okay, now first thing first, it got my name. It's already know my name right now. And after that, it answers my question. So, okay, about question and answer part, in OrthoBot we have two types of datasets. One dataset is you can think like a general dataset. It's like a general knowledge about orthodonty. It's like treatment time or like the pain or the people who can undergo the treatment of aligner, for example. They are general knowledge. But the second dataset is clinic specific. For example, in this case, if I ask the treatment cost, this is clinic specific because it can be like this in one clinic and it can be like another in your clinic. Or if I ask the insurance you are accepting, etc., or the places you are working, or your working hours, they are all clinic specific information. Orthobot first understand the question and it understand which types of dataset it should use. Is it a general knowledge or it's clinic specific? And according to your clinic specific data or the general data, it answer the question. Okay, let's continue. It says my name, it understand my name, and again answer my question. I am not reading them as like no need for it. The really important point is here that after the second answer, Again, at the end of the answer, it asks for my phone number in a conversational way. Okay, right now I am just a casual lead. I don't know you, or in this case, I don't know orthodontic excellence really well. I can directly share my phone number, but it's a little bit low possibility. So I am not going to share it directly, because it's more personal. My phone number is really personal. I am not going to share it directly, for example. Instead, I am going to ask another thing, for example. Now let's ask which insurance are you are you accepting? Again, this is a really good example of clinic specific information. And as you can see again, it answered my question in a, how can I say, in a proper way. Okay, it says we network with Delta Dental, etc. Okay, as you can see, the conversion is going. Okay, let's say now I have another question. Let's say, let's ask. Let's say I am wondering about my 10-year-old son can get a treatment too. It's like normal basic question. Like people are wondering about these basic things. Let's ask it. By the way, I am not specified, so it's going to understand again. No worries. Again, in the answer, it answer first my question first, as you can see, and then again it asks for my phone number. The logic is simple here actually. After it got my name as a lead, in every second turn, in every two turn actually, at the end of the answer, it's going to ask for my phone number. So that it's always going to try to get my phone number, but it's not going to be a harsh way. It's like a conversational way. It's like friends asking for a friend's phone number. It's going to be, how can I say, continue like this. In every two turn, it's going to my phone number at the end of the answer. To make this video short, or I can say for sake of this video, I am going to give my phone number directly. It's okay. No need to worry about it. And now at the same time, I am going to ask another question to make things more complicated. I am not just going to say, okay, this is my phone number. I am going to give my phone number, and at the same time, I am going to ask another question. Let's say, this is Turkey phone number, by the way. I know it's not that exactly like the US phone number, but don't worry. And let's ask, okay, first thing first, it directly understands my phone number, and thank you for it. And then, again, it answers my question in a kind way according to clinic specific data. So, this is the main thing actually OrthoBot do. But until this point, this is what the leads see. This is what the leads interact. At the same time, the lead, which is me in this case, I can see your Google reviews. And when I click them, for example, directly see on them on Google, for example, which makes them really trustable. I can check another things, etc., etc. But now let's see what you are going to see, what you are going to, how can I say, get as a clinic manager, as a clinic orthodontist, as the real guy. First thing first, we have a specific sheet and we have an email and we have CRM. Let's start with our email actually. As you can see, actually, yeah, there's no problem with my video. After our system gets a lead's phone number with the name, etc., it's going to directly send you this email. And in this email, as you can see, there's a summary. The summary of what's talked on the chat. So that, let's say, when your team get this email, they are going to see what's being talked with chatbot, so that your team member, for example, directly call the lead, or no need to call to lead, because you will see in the second video, OrthoCall video, but or they can directly help to lead according to these points. Another thing is our CRM. As you can see, we are using right now Trello, but this can be adjustable. It's okay. We can directly put it in your CRM. Here, again, we have the all knowledge, etc. And again, the same summary with the specific time. Also, I should show one more thing too. While you are working with OrthoBot, you are going to get a weekly report like this. On every, let me make this like this. Okay. In every Sunday, actually, you are going to get an email, and it's directly reports you like how many conversation happened, how many leads captured in total and in that specific month, and at the same time in this specific week, so that you will always know what's happening, like how many leads came this week, this month, what was the topic for every specific lead, etc. And also we have our Excel, but right now there are some other data too, so I don't want to share their how can I say, specific data, so I can't show it. But you got the point. Now you know how it's working and how it's interacting with me without putting any resistance upfront at the beginning, like directly asking, okay, put your phone number, email, and your name to speak with our chatbot. Like, this is not working because people, like, they don't want to share their contact details directly upfront most of the time. For sure, some of them will share it, but the things what we are doing here is like minimizing the resistance so that we can answer their question according to your clinic specific data, and at the same time gather their contact details in a conversational way, like a friend's asking for a friend's phone number or name, etc. And that's all from me for this video. I hope you like it. I tried my best to keep it really fast because there are so many little details too, but I don't want to share them, all of them upfront, not to make you really bored. And now I definitely suggest you to watch our OrthoCall video, because this is one point and OrthoCall is the second point, which is cherry on the top of the main process. And that's all for me for today. Thanks for your time. Have a great one.